guys, welcome in. I'm unboxing a brand new Netta Oil Radiator, 11 fin 250W with timer, and it's a black one. We've got this here. And what's in here is the wheels. We're going to be getting the wheels on. It's 2 wheels, and also it's got some bolts. I think it is to connect the wheels to the radiator. That's the radiator coming out the box. Probably. Wow, brand new radiator. It just came out the box. You might want to put it on here. Look at that. And guys, it came with a manual. 250W oil heater. And we're expecting it to be really hot, radiating up the place. And guys, you can see here that it's got the panels. I don't know, I will check and tell you what it is. But while the radiator is getting its heat on, it's not cold, but I wanted to test it to make sure that it is working, because even though it comes with, I think it's around 2 years guarantee on this one. I've got 2 actually, or 2 of them, but we're unboxing this one right now. Beautiful black. This is the other one. That one will be going into one of these rooms that I have, and these are temporary stuff because we do have the central heating here as well, but I like to have these to hand. Stick and stay in the hot kitchen, fully active. You can see we've got another one here. So guys, we are investing in loads of those, even though we've got these radiators in the building. I told you we've got the central heating, but we like to have these manual ones in here. Yeah man, these manual ones, just in case there is a problem. We do have these here. Okay, that's another one here. We are ready for the winter. We're ready for the winter, guys. Quite a few radiators in the building here. One right here in my son's room. Yes, this is another one here. Radiators for days. See? Radiators for days in the building. There's on shore. Yeah, we've got quite a few. But today it's not about these. Today we are unboxing. Getting the wheels on. And the manual is right here. You can see the manual. And it says user instructions and operation manual, and you can have it in, you can see different languages, France, all different places, I want to believe. Yeah, so this is the user manual. It's got safety and warning, general warning. It's got instructions as to how to That's a general warning here. You can see, do not use on the outside. Do not insert or remove the plug from the socket when with wet hand, as this may cause an electric shock. And this is it, guys. It tells you the handle, adjustable thermostats, indication light, power switch, timer. All of this is on the radiator itself. And then adjusting, assembling the product. What's wrong with me? So it tells you how to assemble the product. It says that turn the product upside down on a scratch-free stable surface to prevent damage. Fill the caster assemble into the radiator and securely fasten it. So that's what we are doing right now. And then this is it. This is actually the picture. This is the picture of it, so we should not be struggling with it. This is the picture here, and as you can see, we're fully active doing the do. Yeah, the boss is fully active putting this thing together, and you're gonna see how it comes down. You're gonna see how the thing come down, guys. We still haven't put a foot on yet, but both will be on very soon. Stick and stay, don't you move a muscle. We are actually fitting up a 2500 W oil heater. Stay with us. So guys, we finally got one leg on. You can see that one leg is on. And the other one will be going on really quickly, quick and fast, no joke, absolutely no joke. So that is it. Lovely black. I won't be unboxing the other one, guys. That one will just jump out the box itself and present itself in a room. But for now, we're unboxing this one. We have unboxed this one. We're fitting this one now. That is it. You're gonna see how the thing come down, guys. Right, so we're getting the next one on. That is it. Yep, like I said, we're unboxing a brand new 2500 oil heater. It comes with 2 years guarantee. I haven't seen that, I'm making that up. But yeah, 2 years guarantee. So if there's any issues with it, we can always ship it back to the supplier. Let me see. Hold on. I need to see, you know. I need to see if it's coming with the 2 years, but I'll see that after that. Don't worry yourself. Stick and stay. Lovely. Guys, yes, this is it, your warranty. It says here, if you purchase with Net Direct or one of our authorized resellers, you will automatically enroll your warranty for 1 year. You do not need to register again for your warranty. All warranties will be carried out to our terms and or conditions, including warranty condition. You will find out from our website at www.nettadirect.com. So yes, guys, and it actually, yeah, let's see, because my friends are celebrating it. And I hope that we too can celebrate this. Look, right here in the building. Yeah, man, it can run. You know, it can run. The 2 legs are fully active. It can run. I hope that it is working. That's what we're talking about. But look at that. Look at the brilliance. Oh, this is a bit here where you see. Yeah, man, you turn it up and you turn it down, and this and that and that. Stick and stay. Yes guys, you can see that. It is fully active. You hear the oil? You hear the oil? Yeah man, the thing loud. Fully active. Guys, thank you so much for staying with us. And I will tell you, if oh my days, it's eating up already, you know. Oh my days, yeah. Fully active guys. Stick and stay, don't move a muscle. And like I said to you, we have literally just unboxed this one here. You hear it? Powing. Yes, guys, we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see if it does work. Because if it doesn't work, I still have the box. And I will ship it away in that box. Yes, man, ship it out. But guys, thank you so much for staying with us here in the hot kitchen. We appreciate you. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And we love you guys. Look at my socks. We love you. Bye from the hot kitchen. Yes man, this is our brand new oil eater. Thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen. Bye bye.